So one of the things you might be asked is how to take the cross-sectional area through a work plane of your part. And so they might ask for the area or the perimeter or various things that you can find through that cross-sectional property, that cross-sectional area. And we know how to take the cross-sectional area of a work plane through a part. So you can see this work plane is cutting right through this random part that we're working with. Let's right-click on the work plane and go to New Sketch. And then what you can see is if we hit F7 on our keyboard, it cuts that out. And we can see, well, this is obviously the cross-sectional area. And if we want to get the dimensions of this, it's pretty simple. We just go to Project Geometry normally, right? But if you notice, when I go to Project Geometry, it doesn't actually select the circle that I'm working with in my sketch, and that's kind of a problem. And so we're going to use a feature that we haven't used very often in this class. It's underneath Project Geometry. It's Project Cut Edges. And what this will do is automatically project any edges going through your sketch. And as you can see, that lights up this area automatically, which is kind of convenient. But then to get the area and the perimeter and anything that you want to know about this, there's a couple ways to do it. If we go into Inspect or Tools, you'll see the Measure tool, for example. The Measure tool is handy, but it doesn't give you everything you might need to know. Like it tells me the perimeter and the area, but it doesn't tell me the area of this entire shape, just the area of the outer circle. I could take the area of the inner circle as well and then subtract if I want to. There's actually an easier way. We can also use region properties, which we can only use in our sketch mode. But if you have a shape already made and you select region properties, this window should pop up and it's asking you to select what you want it to measure. And I'm going to click on this outer circle. And then it's okay, you want loop 1 in this sketch, and you say yes, calculate. And it'll tell you pretty much everything you need to know about that shape. It'll tell you the area, the perimeter. If you wanted to know any of these random facts, or if the question happened to ask that, you can also get those numbers as well.